Hello everyone, my name is Sumit, branch ECE, roll number 18070310006, CRT group of institution. Title Inverter. I am going to telling you about inverters, its functions, working and applications. These are contents we are going to see. Introduction, history, classification of inverter, square wave inverter, sine wave inverter, modified sine wave inverter, block diagram of inverter, batteries, advantage and disadvantage, and applications. Introduction. It is a device which converts AC to DC, DC to AC. Our equipments work on standard voltage and frequency as it is 213 voltage and 15 Hz frequency. So it produces the rated voltage and frequency which 213 voltage and 15 Hz frequency. History. Hundreds years ago, rotatory inverters are used to convert AC to DC, DC to AC. After that, vacuum tubes and gas-filled tubes are used to convert. Classification of inverters. According to output waveform, it can be classified in three types: square wave inverter, sine wave inverter, modified sine wave inverters. And according to charging process, it can be classified in two types: power inverter. It, it converts DC power to AC power. Solar inverters. It converts direct current from photovoltaic cell into AC alternative current. Square wave inverter. It is a simple waveform which is used in low sensitivity applications like lighting and heating. Sine wave inverter. Sine wave inverter, power inverter which produce sinusoidal waveform called sine wave inverter. Modified sine wave inverter. It is combination of two square wave of 19-degree phase difference which varies from 0 to positive peak, positive to 0, 0 to negative peak and negative to 0. Block diagram of inverter. This is schematic diagram which how a wave is converted from DC to AC, AC to DC. Batteries. All we know batteries are used to store DC powers. Basic two type instructions configurations. Series configuration. When we require more additive voltage, we used series configuration. This disadvantage of series configuration is that if one of battery is damaged, that all configuration is not going work completely. Parallel configuration. When increased ampere capacity is required, we used parallel configuration. If one battery is discharged, then load increase to other batteries when result into fasting discharging of other batteries. To stop fasting discharging, we use diode. Advantage. These devices are cheaper, higher quality. Pure sine wave inverters is good because our daily uses electronic equipments as related to sinusoidal waveform. Disadvantage. Square wave output is not stable enough. It can damage equipment of consumer are not familiarly if instructions. Applications. Used in UPS with batteries, used in solar panel, used in HVDC transmissions, used as a backup